So the babies are hatching, and look at this male. He's watching them. See, they're falling. Some of them are letting go. So he's catching them, making sure that they don't end up on the ground. And watch, he's gonna like spit that back out. Just give him some time. See, watch. Bloop. See? Look, he's saying, get up, get back there, get back there. You're supposed to be there. Go on. He'll figure it out. Yeah, this is the male. And then that's the female that's breeding with him. It's in this tank right now. 75. It's 75 gallons. This is a Calgary water. Got some cribs in here too. They had some babies recently. See, they're juveniles now. Juvenile cribs. Yeah, so I didn't even realize that these guys spawned, that they bred, until like this morning. I was going to do some replanting. I've got some plants here. I was planning on laying out a carpet, and now I'm going to have to be careful because I don't want to disturb these guys too much. Because if I disturb them too much, they might like call it quits and eat all the eggs. So we'll see how this goes, because I don't want these to go to waste, and I kind of want to deal with this bare bottom. But that's cool. Baby fish.